Small talk is a friendly way to engage in conversation, especially with new acquaintances or in casual settings. Topics like the weather, hobbies, and daily activities are universally relatable and easy to talk about. Here's how you can navigate these conversations in English. Talking about the weather, start with a comment or question. Nice weather today, isn't it? Can you believe how cold it is? Looks like it's going to rain. I heard it's supposed to be sunny later. Respond to comments. If someone comments on the weather, you can simply agree or share your thoughts. Yes, it's really warm for this time of year. Transition to related topics. Weather can lead to other topics like plans. This sunny weather is perfect for a picnic, don't you think? Talking about hobbies. Ask about their interests. Do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? Share your hobbies. I love reading and hiking. On weekends, I usually play soccer with friends. Show interest. If someone mentions a hobby, show curiosity. That sounds interesting. How did you get into photography? Talking about daily activities. Ask about their day. How's your day going? What do you usually do after work? Talk about your routine. I usually start my day with a morning jog. After work, I often cook dinner or watch a movie. Keep it light and positive. Small talk is typically lighthearted. Avoid heavy or controversial topics in initial conversations. General tips. Be a good listener. Show that you're interested in what the other person is saying. Nod and smile. Nonverbal cues like nodding and smiling can make the conversation more engaging and show that you're attentive. Keep it brief. Small talk is about brief exchanges. If both parties are interested, the conversation can naturally become deeper. Practice exercise. Now, try making a small conversation. Imagine you're talking to someone you just met and discuss the weather, a hobby, or your daily activities. For example, it's such a beautiful day today, perfect for a walk. Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Great job! Engaging in small talk is a wonderful way to practice your English and connect with others. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. Keep it up!